Hey guys, so I'm installing the SPC, or Specialty Products Company. This is the model camber bolt, which will hopefully give me 1.75 degrees of camber on my front struts of my 2003 Corolla. So check this out, this is pretty cool. I've never done this, so I was interested to see exactly how this was going to work. So you can see, take the two top bolts, leave the bottom one in right here, but actually just loosen it up. You can see it's nice and loose. No bolt on top here yet, but check this out. You stick it inside here. Now I've got the locking tab, I've got the locking tab over here, ready to go for negative camber. So right now it's not set. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna rotate this and check that out. Look at drop. That's maximum right there. That's what we're going to set. It's going to be 1.75 degrees of camber right now, and we're going to try on the track tomorrow and see exactly how much time I gain. Today I did my personal best at Willow Springs International Raceway in Rosamond, California, and I did a 148.3. I think previously I want to say I did a 152, but I'll have to double check that. So that's a significant time increase just by going to slicks. These Toyota RRs right here. So let's see how much this does. Look forward to the video. Look for it when I post it on Team Speedy Motorsports.